Southwest 2657, checking on with you in 9.4, descending via 7.
South 2657, thanks for welcome, expect runway 7 right.
7 right.
Delta 1070 heavy, descend to maintain 4,000.
Descend to maintain 4,000 for Delta 1070 heavy.
United 1724, Sky Harbor 1 o'clock to 2 miles.
Inside 1724.
United 1724, thank you, clear visual approach runway 7 right.
Clear visual 7 right, United 1724.
Delta 1070 heavy, turn left heading 170, vectors base, and do not exceed 19 or 0 knots.
190 knots, and give me the heading again.
170.
170 on the heading, and 190 knots for Delta 1070 heavy.
Thank you.
Phoenix Road, good morning, Kion 3101, heading 260, 84, descending 7,000, expecting 8.
QM 3101, Phoenix Approach, welcome. And you are following a heavy heavy Airbus 330 in your 12 o'clock, 6 miles, turning base now for runway 8.
We got that traffic in sight, Kion 3101.
QM 3101, roger, plan to follow that traffic, caution wake turbulence, descend at your discretion, maintain 4,000.
By discretion to 4,000, we'll follow that traffic, Kion 3101.
QM 3101, just plan to follow, don't follow them quite yet.
Copy, we'll plan to follow 3101.
Thank you.
Approach TCAS 9872's level 8,000 with Delta.
Southwest 2657, fly present heading, vectors to final, descend to maintain 5,000.
Present heading down to 5,000, Southwest 2657.
UBS 9872 heavy, Phoenix Approach, welcome, expect the visual approach to runway 7 right now, fly present heading, and reduce speed to 190.
Okay, yeah, we just changed it to runway 8 because it's just kind of taking too long. Is there any chance we can just do 8 now?
UPS 9872 heavy, yes. Reduce speed to 170 then, and you can still fly present heading, maintain 8,000. I'll blow for you shortly.
All right, slow to 170, present heading 8,000, UPS 9872 heavy.
1070 heavy, turn left heading 100, clear visual approach runway 8.
Left to 100, we do have runway 8 in sight. Cleared. United 1724 responding. And Delta 1070 is responding to a TA or an RA.
1070 heavy. Roger. UBS 1724, thank you. Let me know when you are done and the traffic is beneath you. A heavy heavy Airbus.
United 1724 is responding to a TA.
United 1724, roger. Do you want to be resequenced?
Hey, Param, United 1724.
United 1724, climb and maintain 5,000 to right heading 180.
5,000, right turn, 180, United 1724. What would you like Delta 1070 to do?
Sequence.
What would you like Delta 1070 to do?
I'm sorry, I don't understand that.
Okay, do you want us still on this approach?
Delta 1070 heavy, if you would like to proceed inbound for this visual to runway 8, you can, or I can resequence you.
Let's resequence.
QM 3101, turn left heading 180, vectors base.
Left turn 180, 3101.
Delta 1070 heavy, climb and maintain 4,000, turn left heading 360.
4,360 on the heading for Delta 1070.
QM 3101, turn left heading 170.
Left turn 170, 3101.
UPS 9872, reduce speed. I'm sorry, you're already at 170, descend to maintain 6,000.
Descend to maintain 6,000, UPS 9872 heavy.
Southwest 2657, turn right heading 360, descend to maintain 3,000.
Right 360 down to 3,000, Southwest 2657.
United 1724, turn right heading 260, vectors downwind.
Right turn 260, United 1724.
Line 3101, turn left heading 110, Phoenix 10 o'clock and 11 miles.
Left turn 110, Phoenix inside, count 3101.
Line 3101, turn left, or fly heading 110, clear visual approach runway 8.
110, clear visual 8, count 3101.
Southwest 2657, Sky Harbor 2 o'clock, 13 miles.
Field side, Southwest 2657.
Southwest 2657, turn right heading 050, clear visual approach runway 7 right.
Right 050, clear the visual approach runway 7 right, Southwest 2657.
United 1724, contact tower 120.9 RCA.
1209er, take care, United. 1209er, take care, United 1724.
Thank you.
Delta 1070 heavy, contact tower 118.7, good day.
118.7 for Delta 1070, good day.